If you're like most people, it's probably true that you ask yourself, am I doing what I really ought to be doing? Am I able to achieve the things that matter most to me in my life? So if those questions are on your mind, this is a specialization that has ideas and methods that you can use to help you to address those issues.
We all get caught up in our day-to-day. We all get caught up in what we've been working on for the last 6 months or 6 years. And this course helps you take a step back and reflect on whether that's the right path for you.
In the Achieving Personal and Professional Success specialization, learners can expect to harness key skills that will help them navigate their social world.
Knowing what matters, knowing who matters, and then having the skills to be able to implement your ideas and to get other people to buy into them. Our courses help you to do that.
The 4 courses in this specialization are in a sequence, and the sequence is important. The first course really is about defining goals and understanding how your goals connect to your long-term images of yourself. And then the next 3 are different ways of being more effective at achieving those goals. The communication course really helps us understand how to take other people's perspective, where trust comes from, how to create relationships. The leadership course talks about how to inspire others and different personality traits, about persistence and envisioning things that can help you as a leader. And then the influence course really shows you how other people's perspectives and their perceptions are so important in your being able to help others understand what you're saying and follow your lead on things.
This program brings accomplished scholars and award-winning teachers to you at a time that's most convenient in your schedule.
You are in a global learning community.
And what that means is the diversity of viewpoints really gives them a rich learning environment that's both cross-cultural, cross-generational, and cross perspectives.
If it's early in one's career and you're still trying to figure out what direction you want to go, if you're already sure that you're on the right path but you're not yet making the difference you want to make, we talk about a lot of tools that'll help you have a bigger impact.
There's nothing more important to someone than understanding themselves. This specialization are 4 different windows into who you are. The authenticity and confidence that comes from knowing yourself better and being able to relate more effectively is basically the secret to success.